Welcome to my channel. In today's episode, we'll dive into the exciting world of kitchen layouts. Whether you're remodeling your existing kitchen or planning a brand new one, getting the layout right is crucial. Stick around as we explore different kitchen layouts to help you design your dream kitchen. So let's get started. Importance of kitchen layout. The kitchen layout is the foundation of a well-designed kitchen. It determines how efficiently you can move around and work in the space. A good layout can enhance productivity and make cooking a breeze. There are 5 popular kitchen layouts we'll explore today. The one-wall kitchen. First up, we have the one-wall kitchen. Perfect for small spaces and open-plan living. This layout places all the appliances, countertops, and storage along one wall. The Galley kitchen. Next, we have the Galley kitchen. This layout features 2 parallel countertops with a corridor in between. It's an efficient design for cooking, as everything is within easy reach. L-shaped kitchen. Now, let's explore the L-shaped kitchen. This layout utilizes 2 adjacent walls, forming an L shape. It provides plenty of countertop space and works well in both small and large kitchens. U-shaped kitchen. Moving on to the U-shaped kitchen. This layout offers 3 walls of cabinetry, creating a cozy cooking zone with ample storage and countertop area. The island kitchen. Last but not least, the island kitchen. This layout includes a central island, adding extra workspace, seating, and a focal point to your kitchen. Tips for choosing the right layout. Consider the available space. Measure your kitchen area to determine which layout will fit best. Analyze your cooking habits. Think about how you use your kitchen. Are you an avid cook, or do you prefer simple meals? Prioritize workflow. Keep the work triangle in mind. A natural flow between the sink, stove, and refrigerator. Storage and organization. Ensure your chosen layout provides enough storage for your kitchen essentials. Options. If you entertain frequently, consider a layout that accommodates seating around an island or peninsula. That's all for today's episode on kitchen layouts. We hope this guide has been helpful in planning your dream kitchen. In our next episode, we'll delve into kitchen styles, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.